How to find Skillshare discount codes. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the Skillshare discount codes. Once you get the search results, you can see the Gemini AI is also provide promo code and reference website. Also, you can find a website that provide best deals on Skillshare. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Here you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So find one that fit your need and tap on get code to open. A pop-up will appear on the screen where you will find the discount code. Simply copy this code and then go to the Skillshare website or open mobile app for subscription. Once you are in, log into your account, and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied coupon code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Skillshare discount codes. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.